Laws come and laws go. They are something that is constantly changing over time. Something illegal in the past might be thought of as crazy today, and laws that exist today may have been thought of as crazy in the past. It is no doubt that society's thoughts as to what should be legal and illegal are continuously changing. So today, I thought I'd share some of the laws that existed in the past or still exist today that might baffle you. Like, don't think about pumping your own gas in the state of Oregon. It's against the law and has been since 1951 as a way to keep people safe and ensure job security. Oh, and back in 1895, you couldn't produce yellow margarine. It looked too much like butter itself, and the state wanted to protect the sales of the dairy farmers. Number 3. If you're outside washing your car on a nice sunny day in Los Angeles, don't even look at your neighbor's car. Well, I suppose you can look at it, but don't wash it without their permission. It's against the law. Number 4. If you're feeling generous and live in the state of Louisiana, don't feel that need by sending a pizza to someone. It could land you a $500 fine, since it's considered harassment. Number 5. This one might make women feel like they stepped back in time before women were allowed to do much of anything without their husband's permission. In the state of Vermont, there is a law stating that women must get permission from their husbands to get false teeth. Now, before you get too mad, you should know that even though this law is still in the books today, it's not strictly enforced. Number 6. Saying the words trick or treat on Halloween night are only going to be heard coming from kids 14 years and under in Chesapeake City, Virginia, since it's against the law to trick or treat if you're any older. Number 7. Donkeys aren't allowed to sleep in bathtubs. I know, it's a very strange law, but apparently, back in 1924, a merchant allowed his donkey to sleep in a bathtub, which worked out fine until a dam broke and flooded the town, washing the tub and donkey more than a mile down the valley. Thankfully, this donkey survived, but people weren't happy about the time, money, and resources that went into rescuing it. Number 8. Don't sell, purchase, or trade a car in the state of Michigan on a Sunday. This law has been in effect since 1953 and still is today for counties with less than 130 residents. For religious reasons, of course. Number 9. If you're planning on breaking the law in the state of New Jersey, don't wear a bulletproof vest while doing it, because you'll be double breaking the law. Seriously, if you are a convicted felon, it's illegal for you to even purchase a bulletproof vest. And lastly, number 10. Don't share your Netflix password if you live in the state of Tennessee. Not only is it frowned upon by Netflix, it's against Tennessee's state law. Say what? So tell me, which law do you think is the weirdest? Let me know in the comments below.